Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I've taken one big mooli radish and I've squeezed out all the water. This is half chopped onion, coriander leaves and a little amount of paneer, that's optional. This is roasted jeera powder, cumin seed powder, and I'm mixing everything together. I'm adding red chili powder here. You can also use green chili and red chili together if you want to make it spicy. And that's it for masala. Salt we will add just before stuffing the paratha. Otherwise, the water will start oozing out of mooli. So our masala is ready here. So here I have taken a big size of atta because I am making Dhabastyle paratha, so it has to be big and little thick in size. Excuse my rough cooking style here. But yeah, so put your thumb inside and your fingers outside and keep rotating the entire atta, and we are creating like a pocket like this. Now just before adding all the stuffing inside, I have added salt in it, mixing it well, and check again there is no water left out, otherwise your paratha will start breaking. So stuffing everything inside. Now if you want a thin paratha, then you can choose to keep less stuffing in it. And now we start to bring all the corners of atta together, closing the pocket. Do it slowly and gently. Applying dry atta on top again. And now the next step is very important. So use heel of your palm to spread the entire paratha. This will help you to spread the entire stuffing inside as well. Now we'll add a little extra atta just so that there is no chance of paratha to get stuck on the chakla, or whatever you call it. In English, I'm sure there is no word. Maybe a board. So with very light hand, I am trying to spread the paratha here. You can see the size is quite huge. Placing paratha on hot tawa, make sure you do that. Otherwise again, paratha will start breaking. And I am applying oil on all the sides of paratha on top, especially on the sides. If you can keep extra oil, it'll help you make it crispy. And for Mooli Paratha, it's important to use a little extra amount of oil, otherwise it'll become gassy and it will not taste very good. So once in a while if you are making, it's absolutely fine. And with spoon or spatula, keep pressing paratha from all the sides. We want to cook this on medium flame so that everything gets cooked easily. And we have roasted this on both the sides now. It's ready to eat. I like to eat this with butter, and if I am having this in the morning, I have it with my ginger tea. I hope you like the recipe. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.